In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful, respected participant, I warm welcome you in our ESL Academy, online academy by Sir Rana. If you want to join our online class, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and our WhatsApp number is 0305 63 19464. You can even visit our channel, the ESL Academy by Sir Rana. Just go to YouTube bar, type name the ESL Academy by Sir Rana, and you can visit our channel. You can even visit our website, or you can visit our blogs, Rana Sir Literature blogspot.com, or you can visit our page, PhD MPhil Linguistic and Literature, the ESL Academy by Sir Rana, or you can visit our group, the ESL Trainer. A warm welcome all participants. Today we shall discuss about TED use or TED use. Both are good. Both pronunciation can be used, because I have checked many dictionaries. They are pronouncing this word TED use and TED use as well. So today we shall discuss the greatest poet of 20th century, TED Hughes. He was born in 1930 and died in 1998. TED Hughes, he was born in England, Yorkshire, 1930. He served in Air Force as well. And after this, he joined Cambridge University, where he studied archaeology and anthropology, where he learned myth and legend. In 1956, he met an American poetess, Sylvia Plath, and he got married. Sylvia Plath motivated him, and he wrote his first manuscript. He published his first book in the Poetry Center. So in this contest,